Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 31, Quranic Verses. The Rights of a Husband from His Wife. Men, those who are able to carry out their responsibilities, are the protectors and maintainers of women, inasmuch as Allah has endowed some of people, in some respects, with greater capacity than others, and inasmuch as they, the men, spend of their wealth for the family's maintenance. Good, righteous women are the devoted ones to Allah and observant of their husbands' rights, who guard the secrets, family honor and property, their chastity, and their husbands' rights, especially where there is none to see them, and in the absence of men, as Allah guards and keeps undisclosed what should be guarded in private. Surah An-Nisa, Chapter 4, Verse 34. Hadith number 158, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Wasaya 9. Sahih Muslim, Imara 20. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "All of you are shepherds. Each of you is responsible for his flock. An emir is a shepherd. A man is a shepherd in respect of his family. The woman is a shepherd in respect of her husband's house and children. All of you are shepherds, and each of you is responsible for his flock." Hadith number 159, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Rada 10. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "If I were to command anyone to prostrate to anyone else, I would have commanded women to prostrate to their husbands." Hadith number 160, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Rada 19. Mu'adh ibn Jabal, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "A woman does not injure her husband in this world without his wife among the Huris saying, 'Do not injure him, may Allah fight you. He is a guest with you who is about to leave you for us.'" Hadith number 161, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Nikah 17. Sahih Muslim, Dhikr 97. Usama ibn Zayd, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "I have not left after me any temptation more harmful to men than women.